I put the link down on your description, but don't click on it. It's too damn expensive. Buy yourself a big dog, like Achilles. Achilles! Hello there, it's Grandma Hates Tech, and I'm back for another video. Thought you'd seen the last of me, didn't you? I really enjoy my Ring doorbell, but I had a problem come up, so I had to buy a Ring camera. My dog Achilles escaped from the backyard, and he chased the salesman all the way down the street. I didn't know he'd left till several hours later, so I bought this Ring stick-up camera and placed it beside the house. Now, if an intruder or even Achilles walks along the side of my house, I get an alert on my phone. I think it's an excellent camera because it gives me more security to my house. However, do you really think I need it because of my dog Achilles? Who is going to break into my house with this big dog here? He'd eat him for food, supper, breakfast, whatever. I put the Ring stick-up camera high up on the side of the house, and now I can see anybody, anything, 24 hours a day. If I ever miss an alert and I notice that somebody's vandalized my property, I can go back into the history as it's saved for 2 months. Then I will show the video clip to the police, but they will get off easy with the police. If my dog ever got a hold of them, he would eat them like pudding. Achilles! I like this Ring stick camera because I know it's watching my house for 24 hours. Plus, it can alert your phone when someone is approaching your house. Here's a random video clips of my saved videos. I put the link down on your description, but don't click on it. It's too damn expensive. Buy yourself a big dog, like Achilles. Achilles! Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Kiss. I'm also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel? And then we could be friends. I'm thinking of adding another camera to the backyard. What do you think? And should I do another video on it? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, then I will make more videos. Subscribe, and I will continue to make more videos. Thanks for watching.